Alright guys, Tommy here, and this is a quick video on how to assemble your tour pack latch kit assembly hardware. So first thing you need is 2 of these little black spacers, and you're going to flip this part over. You're going to pop these into here, and then just pop them in until they sit flush with the rest, and then do the same to the other side. Alright, and then you're going to take your little metal plate here, and that's also going to go into the back with this part sticking up, and it just slides in there like that, and then it looks like that. And then you're going to grab your face plate here. You're going to flip this over. I already did this, but you're going to take one of these and just set it right on top of there. Then after that, you take these little spacers and they go and they insert into here and here. There's one for the right side and one for the left side. So that just pops into there. You gotta make sure it sits down nice and flush with everything. And then same with the other one. That just pops into there. Pushes down in. Right. Cool. And then you take your face plate and then your bottom part, and you're going to hook it into the hole below and then line it up with the hole on top like that and push down, and it'll click right into place. And then you take one left and one right of these little arms, and they have this little thing sticking out the top of it here. You want that facing up towards you, and these guys go here and here. Then you're gonna grab your little metal spring, and that just goes in here underneath the little nipple part there. And then you just close this down and make sure that goes down with it. Just like that. And then we put the rest of our faceplate on, and that just kind of sinks right down into place. And then we take the first of these little metal rods. This one has more of like a stub nose on it. This one goes into the right side, and then there's another one that goes into the left. So the stub nose goes in the right, and you just slide that in, and there we go. Now you have it sitting flush in there. It's not fully in yet, so you gotta take, I'm using a 2mm, and then I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna kinda shove it the rest of the way in there, that, and then you'll see it kinda go through right there. If you can see the gap, you'll see the rest of the bar has gone through. So then you got that side complete. Now you're gonna flip this back over, and you're going to take one of these plastic pieces, and it's gonna go in like this, into here. You're gonna push it all the way in, and then you need to flip this back over, and if you kind of open this up, you can see, but you need the hole on the black piece you just put in to line up with the hole right there. You can take something if you need to move it around a little bit, kind of, there we go. And once you got the holes aligned, you're going to take this guy, this one's a little bit skinnier, and you're just gonna put it in there, and then feed it through both holes like that, and then just push it the rest of the way in there like that. Close her up. Boom. And then for your final and your last, to lock this into place, you might want to use some Loctite too, but you can put some Loctite down in these little holes here, and then you're going to take these little end cap screw guys here, and you're just going to screw one into each side here. You want to screw them in all the way, but do not tighten it too much. If it's too tight, the hardware will close in on itself, and when you open and close it, you're gonna chip your hardware. So you just want it just tight enough, but not too tight. I usually do one side, try to open it, see if everything looks good, and then I'll go and tighten the other side. And there we go. Generally, if you guys order color match hardware from us, we assemble them ourselves for you guys. But if for any reason you ever need to take yours apart, or you want to clean it, or you just want to change it out, paint it, whatever you want to do, this is just a quick little video on how to show you guys how to do that. Thanks for watching.